So Brett got his barrel.
Can I go in the back?
And rigged up his liver.
Can I go in the back of you? Mom, can I go in the back of her?
Not yet.
Dad, you're just running around like
The other kids are inside doing their dishes as fast as they can so they can come. What do you think?
Good.
Let's go inside and get a pillow, huh? Okay, so Brett, tell us what you did here.
I've made a train.
You made a train. So we got a dolly.
It's just a dolly. Drilled a hole through there and put the eye bolt on. Then this is just a bolt that holds it into the hole of the tractor.
The tractor, lawnmower.
Cut the barrel. Just drew a little line and cut it. And
What do you think, Jane? Are you excited?
Scooted into the dolly.
We're so ghetto! I love it! Oh gosh, Brett told me his plans and I thought he was ridiculous. Thought it was the dumbest thing ever, but hey. Maybe it's just a really genius idea. Thank you, YouTube, for giving Brett this idea. Ooh, Jane's getting brave. Ooh, standing up.
I can't turn very sharp.
I think she almost tipped over. Well, there you have it.
Gotta be careful out car park there.
Yeah. You ready to go again, Tessa? You like that?
So much fun.
So much fun! Okay, the rest of the kids finished their dishes. And so now they're all just following Brett. Libby's in there, it's her turn. This is the neighbors. Oh my gosh, somebody's gonna get hurt. Molly, you're crazy! Oh, next. Kate, I promise you'll get a turn. Okay.
Oh my God. Mom.
We haven't lost anybody yet.
What do you think? How was it, Libby? Good. Kind of sneaky. Here comes the train. She's going fast. Oh, Jane. Children to the fray.
We can make a whole train. No, it's Kate!
So this thing sticking out of the yard is going to be a big light post. We have a post, we just have to run the electrical. The electrical has a big fat tube all the way down. We have to buy the light and everything, but anyway, it'll just be a big tall light so that we can play volleyball in this section right here. All night long. The yard is mostly done. Our garden is not doing great, but that's okay. Got some flowers planted. Oh, it's kind of dying. We had some other Shasta daisies die. We're hoping they come back to life. That's a Shasta daisy too. Anyway, turned out pretty good. I get a turn now too. Yeah, and the kids are like running. Woo, go Kate. Got a little, oh, Libby's getting a ride. A wiggle car. Oh, Jane's sharing with Molly.